So today we're going to go over how you would pair your phone to your Mitsubishi Mirage. Number one, you're going to want to have the key in the accessories or in the on button to be able to have your radio on to go ahead and do this, right? So then you're on the touch screen here, you're going to tap phone, or would you like to pair a phone? And you say yes. So it gives you that pass key, and then on your phone you're going to bring up your Bluetooth icon, and if you actually just if it was off, if you hold it, it will automatically, if you hold the Bluetooth icon, it will automatically go to the scanning. And so we're scanning here of all the available Bluetooth devices, but we want this Mitsubishi Motors one, so we go ahead and tap that, and then it's going to come up, and we make sure that this passcode matches the passcode that shows up on your phone. So we've got the same passcode, and then we're going to just go ahead and say OK, and it says that the device has been successfully connected. Now on your phone, it's asking you if it can download your contacts. If this is your vehicle and you would like your contacts to be in your phone, then you go ahead and hit allow. If this is a rental vehicle, or you say you borrowed it from somebody, you may not want to have all your contacts in said vehicle. So you can just go ahead and hit deny, right? And then the contacts failed. But you can dial a phone number through the touch screen, and then once you've called, in the history a phone number will be here. It's not going to have the contact name if you didn't allow it to download the contact name. But if you remember phone numbers, you know who you called. And then you would have your contacts listed right here where you could tap on them and hit the phone calls to call them. And all this goes through the speaker system of your vehicle. And then, like I said, dial, you could just dial the phone number you would like to call, hit the call button, and that will work. You can also go into your Bluetooth settings and connect automatically. There's no problem with that. Or you can set it to do not connect automatically, and then you can have it download upon pairing or do not download upon pairing. So those are all your choices there. To go back, just hit that back button, and of course you got your history and contacts. And then just go back to the home screen. You can either hit the back, or you can just hit the back, or just hit the home button here and or here, which will take you back to the home. There will be, on an image, there are buttons on the steering wheel that you can use to make the phone calls, to scroll. So if you were in the history and you had more phone calls, you could scroll up and down through those for sure. But you can make your phone calls and end your phone calls through icons that are on the steering wheel, and that will be in an image. So that's how you pair your Bluetooth, so you can do that. Now, if you want to disconnect your phone, you go into the Bluetooth settings. Say you're done, wrong one. Connection settings. So if you want to unpair your phone, because say this is a rental car or a friend's car, whichever one, you would go into the connection settings and you would just hit the delete. I mean, you could select that. If there was more than one phone in here, say your friend's phone or other phones, you can select just the one and delete that one. But we only have this one phone in here, so we're going to delete all, and you say yes, and that'll delete all, and you can delete all of the contacts if you did want to put your contacts in here for whatever reason. Then you can just hit the home button, go back there. And that's how you would pair your phone in a 2020 Mitsubishi Mirage. Thanks for watching.